Hello, on this video we're going to look at solving inequalities with multiplication and division. Number one, we've got 3x is greater than or equal to 12. To get rid of multiplying by 3, we'll divide by 3. A number next to a variable means multiplication. So to get rid of multiplication, divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we get x is greater than or equal to 4. Number 2, we got negative 4x is less than 20. To get rid of multiplying by a negative 4, we'll divide by a negative 4. Now there's something you have to remember. When you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative, you have to reverse the inequality symbol. So if it was less than and you're multiplying or dividing both sides by a negative, it becomes greater than. If it was greater than originally, then it would become less than. If it were less than or equal to, it would become greater than or equal to, and then greater than or equal to would become less than or equal to. Again, that's when you multiply or divide both sides by a negative. Alright, let's suppose we have x divided by 4 is less than negative 11. To get rid of division, we multiply. To get rid of dividing by 4, we'll multiply by 4. Now notice, we're multiplying both sides by a positive 4, so we do not change our inequality symbol. Do not reverse it. It's only when you multiply or divide both sides by a negative that you reverse the inequality symbol. Number 4, we see x is divided by negative 5, and that's less than or equal to 40. To get rid of division by negative 5, we'll multiply both sides by a negative 5. Now this time we're multiplying both sides by a negative, so we do reverse the inequality symbol. And we'll get negative 200. So x is greater than or equal to negative 200. Number 5. This time we're writing an inequality and then we'll solve that. 1/7, so that's the fraction 1 over 7, of a number, so times a number, you can use n or x, or whatever letter you choose, is no more than. Is no more than means less than or equal to. Now to get rid of the 1/7, we can that's being multiplied by the x, we can divide by 1/7. Now 4 as fractions 4 over 1 divided by 1/7. And then we'll multiply by the reciprocal. So we get 28 over 1, or you can just write 28. We divided both sides by a positive, so we do not change the inequality symbol. It's only when we multiply or divide both sides by a negative that we change it. This time we see 5 times a number, so 5x or 5n is at least greater than or equal to 20. To get rid of multiplying by 5, divide by 5. And so we get x is greater than or equal to 4.